Yo, what's up everybody? April 13, 2024. Today is 323 days on the road, and today we're in Alliance, Nebraska, and we're at Carhenge. We're gonna go to our next spot. It's gonna take about 2 hours. It's 126 miles. We're gonna go to Ocala. Look at all this beautiful countryside. All right, guys, change of plans. We had to cancel our plans and we had to come to a hotel room because we're all sick. But at least we get to watch UFC 300. Right, Jazzy? And do some laundry.
And take a hot shower. A long hot shower. Mine is sick again.
All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Goodbye.
No paper.